Hi guys! Today I am teaching you the TikTok dance tutorial to Yummy by Justin Bieber. Super well-known song. I'm super excited. It's really fun. So yeah, if you like this, if you have any TikTok dance suggestions that you want to learn, make sure you get in the comments below. Like the video, hit subscribe, and yeah, let's get into it. All right, so Yummy, TikTok, here we go. So I've seen a couple different versions. I feel like I'm a little bit too old for TikTok, but you know, whatever. Anyways, I've seen a couple different versions. I found one that I thought was really cool, simple, and easy. So I'm gonna teach that to you guys today. Go and, you know, make your own little video on TikTok after. We'd love to see it. So Yummy. It starts at the chorus, like right at the start of the song, because I got that yummy, yummy. That's where it starts. So we're going to take our right hand, and it's going to go kind of like you're just brushing down your body, and we're going to do a body roll. So we're going to take our head back, sticking our chest, shoulders, rolling it down like this. It doesn't have to be as dramatic, and it can be a little one here. And then we're going to do it on the other side as well. Okay, so using my chest, pushing that out, almost like I have a crystal ball, I'm holding it on my chest. I'm making it nice and flat, and then I'm going to catch it on my stomach here and push it away. That's a little trick for a body roll, okay? So my hand is going to go yummy, yummy. Good. Then we're going to do 2 more body rolls. This time we're going to have our fists coming up to the sky. So it's going to go first yummy, 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 yummy. Okay, each time we're just turning our torso to get that direction, and you'll notice that there's a little bit of a bend in my supporting leg. So if I'm doing a body roll to my right corner, I'm going to bend that left leg a little bit to make it easier to push that hip out to come onto my right, onto the left, onto the right. Okay? So from the top, we have 4 body rolls. Let me just fix this here. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. It goes 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and from here. Oh, sorry. I did that wrong. Okay. Don't follow me. 1, 2, then we push 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It goes yummy, 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 yummy. Good. From there, I'm going to pull in. So I'm going to almost imagine that I'm holding onto bars here, okay? And I'm going to stick my head through those bars. So I'm going to go boom, through the bars. Then I'm going to push the bars to the side and look over at it. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3. And I'm just crossing my arms. Okay? 1, 2, 3. So you have to grab those bars first of all. So you came from here, grab the bars, pull it in to the side to do a swish. Yes, just a little cross, okay? From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. It goes a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and now I'm going to bring my fists together. So I'm going to go 7, and. So I'm kind of imagining that I'm laying my hands or my elbows onto a table in front of me so they're nice and flat. Fists just not quite together. Pull them apart separately. There you go. Now you're going to let that little gap show off your shoulder, shoulder. Boom, boom. So if you want to just practice this a couple times, it's almost like you're bringing them out to the front, then fold the elbows out, fold, out, fold. There's just 2 of those. That happened after our body roll. It went bars, look, throw, and shoulder, shoulder. Looking good. Let's do that one more time. We just went body roll, bars, look, swish, and shoulder, shoulder. Nice. From the top now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a. So it's pretty fast. 7 and a. Okay? One more time like that, then we'll move on. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a. Nice. Now we're going to catch 8 and a 1. Okay? So you finished here. I'm going to now juggle a little bit. So I'm going to throw up with my, oh my gosh. I'm going to throw my right hand up. It's going to go right, left. And I'm just imagining that I'm juggling. So I'm just throwing up some balls in the air. Right, left, and then I'm going to do a whoa. Whoa. Yeah? Whoa. That's such a popular one. So we went boom, boom, right, left, whoa. Okay? Let's break that down. So, da-da-da. My right hand's throwing up, left hand throws up. When my left hand throws up, my right one's coming down. Okay? So this is where I want to be before I hit that whoa. Now my right hand is going to come up, slow motion. My left hand's going down, zoom. And then I'm going to catch the fly. There's a fly about to go in my mouth. No, there's a fly here, and there's a fly down here, okay? So you kind of just want to go juggle, juggle, catch. Juggle, juggle, catch. Juggle, juggle, catch, okay? If you want to do like a little, like you're almost just hit your shoulder on a wall, you can. A lot of people do that on TikTok. I almost called it Tic Tac. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we went, let's rewind. We went from the bars, jail, boom, boom, swish, and hit, hit, juggle, juggle, whoa. Whoa, yeah. You'll notice with that whoa as well, I went juggle, juggle. I'm letting my torso move a little bit towards my right hand, right, to catch it here. And just to have that little bit of resistance. Yeah. So you can practice that however you want. You can do that shoulder in the wall, boom. Or you can do it like a side to side, or you can just do a catch the flies, whatever you feel like, okay? Let's do that again from our bars. So we went bars, look, whoa. And a hit, hit, juggle, juggle, catch. Nice. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. We went 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Nice work. Okay, so we went 8 and 1. Now what you're going to do is just a clap to the front. Boom. Like an alligator. Yeah. So we went whoa and a clap. Now you're going to be pushing almost like you're brushing your shoulder. So when I brush that shoulder, I want to almost pull it back. So it's going to go brush, 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 brush. So again, I'm kind of moving it out of the way, moving it out of the way, moving it out of the way, moving it out of the way. I'm also doing little hitchhiker thumbs. I don't know what the actual thing is. You could do like a brush off the shoulder, hitchhiker thumbs, whatever you want. Make it your own. Doesn't matter. Main thing is your torso is going, taking one shoulder back at a time. Back, 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 back. Now what you'll notice is it's a little bit similar to our body rolls. There's a little tiny body roll in there. When I'm pulling it back, this knee bends, back, bends, back, bends, back, bends. That's the base of that move, okay? So rewind again. Let's say we're getting our bars. Bars, pull, side, swish, shoulder, shoulder, juggle, juggle, catch, clap, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last move, let's power through. Last thing you're gonna do is you're gonna step twice to the front. I'm just gonna back up a little bit. So my legs are gonna go step together, step to the front. Just the legs. Just finished this side, taking my right leg to the front, step together, step. Okay? My arms now, I just went zoom. I'm gonna bring them up again, kind of like we did with the shoulders. They're on that tabletop. And what I'm gonna do, as I step, I'm gonna tilt the table so my right corner is up at the top. Tilt the table, yeah? And at the same time, I'm gonna kind of look down into that. Down, and down. And that's it, you're done. What? So down, you really wanna have like a little groove with that. Down and down. So really let that head loosen up a little bit, use your neck. So it's gonna go down and down, like you're rocking out. Yeah, you wanna have that vibe with that, okay? So let's do it very, very, very slowly from the top, all together. We'll do it a couple times like that, and then we'll speed it up. So we went 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Nice job. That wasn't that slow. Let's try it a little bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. It goes 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Nice job. Okay, a little bit faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice, guys. One last time. Let's do it full speed. What I think the tempo is. Remember, we're starting yummy, 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 yummy. Tick, tick, whoop, whoop, shh. Yeah? Yeah? Let's do it. Let's try it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Yeah, we did it. Good job, guys. Love it. I hope you had fun. If you make a TikTok video of this, tag us at HypeDanceKelowna or hashtag us. I don't know how it works actually on TikTok, so just do the TikTok thing, okay? And yeah, if you want to learn some more TikTok dances, let us know which ones. I'll get on that, and let's have some fun. Thank you. Subscribe, like, all the good stuff. We'll see you in the next video.